Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create account on Near Crypto Wallet. So if you also want to create account on Near Crypto Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Near Crypto Wallet application. You can see over here Near Crypto Wallet is opened. Here you'll be able to see two options: create new account, import existing account. If you already have an account, you can tap on the option import existing account. But if you want to create new account, all you have to do is tap on the option create new account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to set up your secure passphrase. You can see the phrase over here. You can also copy it. Simply tap on the copy option that you can see on your screen. Now you can paste this passphrase somewhere. For example, I'm pasting it on my notes. Simply go to notes. Simply tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the passphrase has been pasted. Now let's go back to the application. Now simply tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now over here you'll have to give yourself a nickname. Simply enter the name of your choice. Now tap on the create option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here your account is being created. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you create account on Near Crypto Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.